Here we are with a nice little poem called This Morning a Cat Got Stuck in Our Tree by Kit Wright. This morning a cat got stuck in our tree. Right, said Dad, just leave it to me. The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall. Mum said, for goodness sake, don't fall. Fall? Scoffed Dad. A climber like me? Child's play this is, you wait and see. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. We'll try plan B. Stand out of the way. Mum said, don't fall again. OK. Fall again, scoffed Dad. Funny joke. He swung himself on a branch. It broke. Dad landed, wallop, back on the deck. Mum said, stop it, you'll break your neck. Rubbish, said Dad. We'll try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me. He climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. He gave a great leap. He landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk back on the cat. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as punch to be safe and sound. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be. While poor old Dad's still stuck up the tree.